Gautam. I am studying in class 7 from Enquiry Academy School. So today we are going to do the conversation between a railway inquiry and a passenger. So let's start. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
What time is the Dehradun Express arrive?
The scheduled timing of its arrival is 5 o'clock.
Oh, but it's already 15 minutes past 4 and there is no sign of its arrival as yet.
I am afraid it's running late by over an hour and we have already made an announcement.
Okay, but I haven't heard any kind of announcement. I have been at the station for about 10 minutes.
Perhaps it was made before you come in. Let me check. It was made at 20 minutes ago to be precise.
Okay, but do you only made an announcement?
No, we also write them on the notice board in the front of the ASM office.
Don't you think these announcements should be a little more frequent?
Well, I don't want to talk about it. Now you can speak to the ASM for more inquiry.
Okay, but what is ASM?
ASM is Assistant Station Master.
Could you tell me where he sits?
He sits in room number 1.
Okay, so what's the status of it now? When exactly will it arrive?
It will come at 6:10, but it may take some more time or it may be delayed further. We'll make another announcement whenever we receive any fresh railway updates.
Oh, but this will cause a lot of inconvenience to people. Have you thought of that?
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Bear with us for some more time and make yourself comfortable in the waiting room.
Alright, thank you. So, if you like our video and efforts,
So please subscribe Anil Sir's channel.